Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a property to your wish list or to your saved homes section on the Zillow application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the search button down below in the left side corner of the screen and then click on the search bar at the top to type in your location. After that, select a property you are interested in. At the top of the screen you can see this heart icon, so if you would like to add it to the saved homes section, tap on this heart icon, then you show the add tags such as I like this home because the price, house size, style of home and so on. Then click on the save my tags button down below and these tags will be added to your home. Tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen to go back to your home page, and then click on the saved homes button down below, which is the third one, and here your saved homes will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.